Hello, and welcome back to Kubernetes tutorials. Today, we are going to explore Kubernetes services in detail, focusing on understanding the different types and their significance within Kubernetes cluster. Kubernetes services act as an abstraction layer that facilitates communication between various components within Kubernetes cluster. They enable the exposure of applications running on the pods as a network services, ensuring seamless connectivity. There are five types of Kubernetes services: cluster IP, node port, load balancer, external name, and none. Let's examine the various types of Kubernetes services now. Cluster IP is the default type of service in Kubernetes. It exposes the services on an internal IP within the cluster, allowing for other applications within the same cluster to access it using this internal IP and port. Node port exposes the services on a static port on each node's IP. This means that services become accessible externally using the node's IP address and the assigned port, making it suitable for scenario requiring external access. Load balancer automatically provisions an external load balancer in supported cloud providers and assigns a unique external IP to the service. It facilitates external access to the service, distributing incoming traffic across the pods associated with the service. External name is a unique type of service that maps the service to an external DNS name. It provides a seamless way to reference external service by name, simplifying the integration with services outside the cluster. The none type of service does not expose the service onto the network. It is suitable for scenario where service only need to be accessed internally within the cluster and do not require external accessibility. Understanding the different types of Kubernetes services is essential for effectively managing and connecting applications within the Kubernetes cluster. By leveraging the appropriate type of service, you can ensure optimal communication and scalability for your applications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Kubernetes services. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content on Kubernetes and related topics. See you in the next video.